Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating a new user account on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Users and Groups. Click the padlock icon in the bottom left, and then enter your Mac's user password to continue. Click Unlock. Click the plus icon below Login Options. To the right of New Account, you can choose what type of user account you would like to create. Enter the full name and account name, and create a password for the user account. You can add a password hint if you like. Click Create User when you are done. Your new user account is now created. You can change the profile image by tapping the current image and then choosing a new one from one of the categories. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.